Short circuit is like OCM lah. Dia fix ini short circuit. 10 times.
10 times.
Kalau you nak guna function ni, ada satu overcurrent. Overcurrent. Set IDMT, normal inverse, very inverse, and truly inverse. TMS. Ada satu lagi
short circuit high set lah.
short circuit high set saja.
High set.
Tapi dia fix 10 times.
Oh, it's fixed, is it? Okay.
Yeah, for this usually is fixed.
So the tripping is instantaneous.
So you only enable disable.
And the tripping is instantaneous?
Yes, less than 100 millisecond.
100 millisecond.
So it's either on or off.
Yeah. Okay.
And load.
Phase rotation. Phase rotation depends on your system. You program ABC or ACB.
But you don't have voltage can detect.
There's it detects the current.
Oh, the current. Oh, that means it's seeing whether it's
Yeah, which one comes first? Phase rotation only functions when the current is above 1.2 times of the full current. But bila you start lah.
What about unbalanced?
Unbalanced.
What's the threshold?
Threshold? You mean the setting?
When the current is very small, also
It can detect, but but you need to go through the start. And
after
then
start
run,
only lah.
After run then only.
Okay.
it
So protection
will
activate
increase
lah.
Kalau you tak pergi start, lepas tu run dia tak boleh detect unbalance. Bila dia status dia running, motor running, baru dia boleh detect.
phase rotation is normally done. It use. Phase rotation. Is it normally used?
Phase for motor, yes.
Phase sequence.
Because it's
Scared
important.
they,
It will
they're
turn
scared
the other way.
to connect wrongly.
You only turn when you connect wrongly, right?
Yeah.
So it's only once you start, they know whether it's right or wrong.
No, the motor will turn in reverse direction.
Yeah, reverse direction.
Yeah.
Sometimes it
If
will
you
damage
connect
it.
wrongly, lah.
Yeah. So you will detect.
Yeah, but how do you know whether ABC or?
The relay will see which peak first.
No, I
Which
mean
one
is
cross the
how do you
zero
know whether
first?
which is your right correct? Right
It
rotation.
only detects up to the relay part lah, not to the motor lah.
Oh, okay. That means in case you wire wrongly
Yes.
somewhere lah.
Yes. At least what is coming out from the switch gear is correct lah. Red,
Okay,
yellow,
okay.
blue.
Then the motor is the other side. lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bukan daripada sebab incoming. Contoh ada problem dekat generation, baru dia detect kan yang ni kan.
Yeah. Mungkin pada switch gear kan, pada layer lepas tu maybe dia connect.
Connection ke motor lah yang salah sama. Detection yang kecil saja.
Jadi kalau kita setelah connect pun dia akan detect juga.
Boleh?
Kalau dekat motor kalau ada salah tak boleh detect lah. Sebab dia was going to the relay. Maximum start time.
Start time.
Dapat start data dari manufacturer. Kalau dia cakap maximum start time 26 seconds.
26.
Lepas 26 seconds dia akan trip. Kalau dia masih starting dalam tidak starting.
Oh, more than 26 dia trip.
Yeah.
Need to be
You set lah. You boleh set
start time saja.
start time ya.
Long start kan ni bukan? Sama.
Ya sama long start.
Sama.
Long start. Sebab dia motor akan hit apa?
Jadi kalau long start dia tak jalan terus kan? Long start.
Oh, motor slow lah, motor slow cannot start lah basically.
Biasanya load terlalu tinggi, more than rated. Dia tak, atau voltage drop lah. Dia start tak cukup power, dia pun tak boleh start. Akan putar lah, tapi takkan reach full speed.
And then this one 2 minutes starts.
Okay.
How many starts per hour?
Tapi semua ni data sheet for motor.
Yeah,
Motor don't have one, cannot
motor
find
data
one.
sheet.
Motor don't have one.
Ya, dia akan bagi tahu
Nobody
how many
use.
cold start, how many hot start.
A lot of people mind that this one, right? Because it's blocking for 1 minute.
So
The one start, they don't care.
start inhibit time is like can have only 2 starts in 1 hour. So I said 2 starts, inhibit time 60 minutes. So after you inhibit, berapa lama you nak inhibit? Ini start period.
Jadi kalau contoh kita share dekat definite time, apa beza trip time dengan time multiplier?
Time multiplier dia slowly when the fault is higher,
Faster.
you will shoot faster.
Macam overload.
Ya, macam ni.
Okay.
Kalau definite time dia shoot bila over the current dia immediately trip at the setting time.
Setting time means trip time.
Trip time, ya.
Oh.
Cuba you select dia
So,
ni definite time. Dia tak.
So
Kalau
kan
saya select definite time,
Dia akan minta masa kan?
nak trip time sini. Dia guna trip time ni.
Dia tak perlu multiplier kan?
Tak payah.
okay. So
Dia takkan guna ni.
yang ni akan keliru.
Tapi sini juga ada afford high set lah.
Oh, macam ada for asset macam dah tahu beza dia.
Ada 2 curve lah.
Oh.
Your IDMT, then your high set lah.
Oh, itu second curve kan?
Second curve, ya.
Buka balik.
Ya,
Second curve.
second curve.
Okay.
Look increase. Macam
No increase, I don't know.
Dia sebab dia punya format tu lain sikit dia punya setting.
ya, load increase macam you nak limit load you dekat 90%. 90% of the city, so it will check at 90% lah if you set 80% here.
Yes.
Or
think you have to increase it
minimum 105%.
Maximum.
It's like overload, right?
Yeah,
Oh, so maksudnya
but immediately it depends on your trip time lah. It's not
Minimum
following the overload curve.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you just trip in longer time.
Set 15 dah masa kena ni terus
Minimum is
No,
1.
because your thermal overload is very slow. So in case you want when you have overload, you want to say instead of the normal maybe few minutes, you want it to do faster, then you can add in this curve lah. But normally we don't use lah.
Yeah, normally we don't use.
Yeah, we only use a thermal overload. Yeah, that one is sufficient lah.
dia dapat signal ke ataupun kita stop dekat situ?
Yang mana? Emergency stop.
Bawah short
Yeah,
circuit.
I think you can activate from here
Yeah,
lah.
you just enable,
But
disable.
in your case,
You need to link with digital input lah.
Yeah, digital input.
Ya, so ada orang tekan butang dia langsung.
yeah,
Cut Q switch lah
Emergency
macam.
it's like your
Stop, sini
normal.
Maybe you input the press button, stop button to DI. Kalau you input output yang dari relay lain ke external, you enable sini juga. Boleh trip dari sini.
But this one you need input signal lah.
Yeah, input. You need to input
External
signal.
mah. So dia
PI.
digital input lah.
Ah, okay.
Digital input.
You need to link.
Tapi tu lah kena select sendiri.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think about other setting. Under current is below certain current, it will trip if the running current.
Under current biasa ni application is macam conveyor belt lah. Dia putus, then suddenly itu
Ada power lah.
dia detect suddenly itu jatuh.
Okay,
Ni tak ada under power kan? Tak ada.
doesn't.